We have our Golen Engine Jeep 4.6 stroker engine. This engine is a direct fit for Jeeps that are year 1991 through 1999, Wrangler TJ and Cherokee XJ. This engine makes a ton of extra torque. So this engine, if you've got larger tires, 33, 35-inch tires, this engine will solve that problem of having no torque to get up hills or to pass in traffic. The other cool thing with this engine is we dyno test it. So it comes fully tested. So we'll run this engine for about 4 hours, we'll change the oil twice, we'll cut and inspect filters, so that way when it comes to you, there's no leaks, there's no noises, it's got good oil pressure, it's been fully tested, we know it's performing properly. That's a huge confidence booster, when you go to install this, not having the responsibility of breaking the cam in or seating the rings or worrying about if there's going to be a leak. The next thing is this engine's a direct fit. So it's an easy direct fit. You're going to basically take your stock engine out, set it side by side with this, swap everything over. So all brackets, pulleys, intake, exhaust, everything is going to fit right back on this new engine because it's the same exact head and block configuration as the engine you have now. The engine comes, as you see, oil pan to valve cover, comes with timer cover, harmonic balancer, also comes with all the gaskets to finish the job. Also has a brand new set of fuel injectors, so we'll give you a brand new set of injectors. You'll take your stock injectors out, you'll install these ones in, and this engine will run on the stock computer. There's no tuning needed. So very, very easy for you to make this install with some basic tools at home. We do offer tech support for any questions that you might have on the install. After that, there's no core charge. There's no sales tax. Comes with full tech support to help you with that install, and also comes with a 1-year warranty. So if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to call, feel free to email us, and we're typically running about 2 months lead time. We do take a 50% deposit to get the order started, so give us a call.